Want free alternatives to Grok? Then keep watching. Hey guys! So if you haven't heard yet, Grok is no longer completely free. When you try to generate a video now, you're greeted with Super Grok and a paywall. Now honestly, I get it. If you really enjoy using Grok, the subscription might still be worth it for you. But today, I want to show you some great free alternatives you can start using right now. First up, we have Meta AI. If you haven't been living under a rock, you probably already know how powerful this one is. It's a really solid alternative to Grok. It can be a bit stricter with prompts, and generations sometimes take a little longer, but trust me, the results are worth it. Next on the list is Quen AI. Think of Qwen as a ChatGPT-style assistant that doesn't just generate text. It can also create images and even videos from prompts. That makes it another fantastic option if you're looking to replace Grok's features. Third, we have Magic Hour. Magic Hour offers a wide range of AI tools, and the best part is, they give you starting credits. On top of that, you can claim 100 free credits every 24 hours just by logging in. There are loads of free features to explore, and it's honestly an awesome platform to try. And of course, I always recommend OpenArt. When you sign up, join their Discord to get your trial credits. Follow their socials, claim your rewards, and you're good to go. They offer multiple creative AI tools, and it's definitely another strong alternative. All the links for everything I mentioned will be down in the description below. There are many free AI video generation tools out there that are great alternatives. The AI community is growing by the day, and I'm so excited to be a part of it. I just wanted to make this quick video to help you guys out because I know the AI community is feeling the loss of free Grok right now. If you found this helpful, please comment, subscribe, and smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're new here, welcome! I'm Sky, and I create everything and anything AI. As always, thank you so much for watching. Check out my channel for more videos like this. I love you all, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.